Hi, to transfer all data from old phone to your POCO X7, first thing first, we need to set up our POCO X7. So here tap the arrow to start setup, choose language, then your region. Now agree with terms and conditions, and here skip this one. And now we need to connect to network, so just choose your network. Enter its password, let me do it quickly, and then tap connect. After it will be connected, go next. And we are just waiting till we can see option to restore data. And yep, now you need to sign in your Google account, so enter your email or phone number, then enter your password, and after that we can restore data. And here it is. You need to choose to copy apps and data, so let's tap next. And here we can choose from which phone we wanna restore data. Or take your charging cable, USB Type-C cable, plug it in your POCO X7, and at the end you need to plug in your old phone. So let me just do it quickly. And now we are waiting. So now I can restore data from this Huawei phone. I need to simply select it. And you can choose what you want to restore. You can restore all apps, all contacts, SMS messages, device settings, call history. So for example, I don't want to restore call history. And after that, to confirm it, I need to tap restore, and now it is restoring data from all device. So here just accept everything, and also you can enable to turn on backup, so let's do it. And after that, just continue setting up your phone. So I'm just gonna try to do this quickly, and tap continue to use setup. And after that, when you'll see your homepage, you'll see that all of your data would be restored. So you'll see installation of some apps, photos, and so on. So this is basically how you can restore your data. As you can see, my font size just become bigger, just as like it was on my Huawei phone. And now let's wait a bit more, so we'll see notification setup completed. And this is it. Tap this arrow, and after that we can already see our phone. As you can see, it even restored my wallpaper from this old device. So I can swipe down and you can see that it was installing some apps and added free games from my previous phone, and that's basically how it works. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.